Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. AI PCs are here. Why 2026 could kill traditional computers. Ultra engaging summary, American audience. For more than 40 years, personal computers have followed the same basic formula: a faster CPU, more memory, better graphics, and larger storage. Every few years, consumers upgraded because computers became faster and more powerful. But now the biggest change in computing history is not just about speed. It's about intelligence. The rise of AI PCs could completely transform how Americans use computers. And 2026 may become the year when traditional computers start feeling outdated. An AI PC is not just a regular laptop with a chatbot installed. It is a new generation of computers designed with dedicated artificial intelligence hardware, including neural processing units, NPUs, that can run AI tasks directly on the device. Instead of sending every request to the cloud, future computers will be able to process many AI features locally, making them faster, more private, and more efficient. Imagine opening your laptop and having an AI assistant that already understands your workflow. It can summarize meetings, organize documents, edit videos, improve photos, create presentations, manage emails, and help you make decisions, all in real time. This is the future that major technology companies are building. Microsoft is pushing the idea of AI-powered Windows computers with integrated AI experiences. Apple is bringing advanced AI capabilities into its ecosystem with powerful chips designed for machine learning. Meanwhile, chip manufacturers like Intel Advanced Micro Devices and Qualcomm are competing to create the processors that will power the next generation of intelligent devices. The biggest difference between traditional PCs and AI PCs is that future computers will not just execute commands, they will understand context. For example, instead of manually searching through thousands of files, you could simply ask your computer, "Find the presentation I created for last year's business meeting and update it with the latest data." Your AI PC could analyze information, locate files, and help complete the task in seconds. For American consumers, this could create major changes in everyday life. Students could use AI computers for research, learning, and personalized education. Professionals could automate repetitive tasks and focus on higher value work. Content creators could generate videos, edit images, and produce creative projects faster than ever. Small businesses could access powerful AI tools without needing expensive software or technical expertise. Privacy is another major reason why AI PCs could become popular. Today, many AI services depend heavily on cloud servers. But with AI processing happening directly on your computer, sensitive information such as personal files, business documents, and private conversations could stay on your device. However, the AI PC revolution also raises important questions. Will people need to upgrade their computers more frequently? Will AI features become essential instead of optional? Could traditional laptops without AI capabilities become outdated? History shows that major technology shifts often happen faster than expected. Smartphones replaced traditional mobile phones, streaming replaced physical media, and cloud computing changed how businesses operate. AI PCs could represent the next major transformation. By 2026, the computer sitting on your desk or inside your backpack may no longer be just a machine. It could become an intelligent partner that helps you work, create, learn, and solve problems. The future of computing is not only about faster processors anymore. It is about smarter machines. The AI PC era has begun, and 2026 could be the moment when computers finally evolve from tools into intelligent assistants. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.